Alright, so I can't talk, so them are going to do my intro for me.
Yo, so we're going Berry does, so today we're going to go Christmas shopping for a Christmas tree. We're going to go all over this, you know, uptown kind of area, and we're going to see if we can get a Christmas tree for free. See if people are willing to give the Duttyberry a tree to decorate for one of them video them. So yeah, come along for the journey. Oh, and if you want, you can follow Duttyberry on social media is TheDuttyBerryshow, YouTube, Duttyberry on Instagram, Twitter, and Alx, he makes some awesome songs. So yeah, check it out and enjoy the video. Box cover.
So we're hunting for a Christmas tree. Hopefully it's free. Oh, a rhyme. Bombard bars. Come on, Alex, on the next line. Yo, so we're hunting for a Christmas tree. Hopefully that tree is free.
I don't know it's a half-past tree.
Uh-huh.
We're there on a shopping spree.
Yeah, right, I know me feel like me want wee.
We are walk so fast, me off a bug tree.
Wait, that is that gas? Me need liquor tea.
Who did? Oh, who that? Brandon.
My G. Yeah.
Bars.
I'll look up on add one bar. GT and a Bruce Lee. Wait, did he just enter about the store?
What?
No, no, so like, did he just enter about?
Yeah.
Alright, we need, alright, say something with it. Come on, Alex, you've done it once. Oh. You can do, see, try this, so. No. You've done it once. Whoa, no chicken out? Level up.
Bro, hold on.
Level up. Oh. I can't believe I say French sell it out.
Bro, for the content, bro.
So you know your friend there. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Whatever.
Do you see those? No, like guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Why? Wow. I wouldn't even think I catch it. Sure. No, because I was recording elsewhere. Sorry. Yo. Then at Azans, I'm trying to find some Christmassy type of stuff to get, but I don't know. I do not know. But if I find one, who wants to sponsor me? Who wants a horse sponsor me? Alright, so we're just leaving what the place name?
Ligany Dragon Store.
Ligany Dragon Store, and I was looking for a Christmas tree, but somebody decided to not video it, talking about myself. And him, I doubt he actually getting no footage.
Bare footage. So
because we were talking to the lovely Miss Wong, and she was, you know, giving me some information about like what kind of tree must get and all kind of stuff, and the reef them and the excitement. But this tree person suggested to not pay. You know?
Yeah, what if it?
I had the money, you know, but you know, because you know I had the money, but he was just like. Alright, so now we're in Florida. We're deciding, so we're going to go shopping for
Christmas trees.
Yeah, Christmas trees and Christmas ornaments. What's your favorite Christmas ornament, Alex?
The bugs.
Why?
Because them easy for all you eat.
Oh, okay, like the one that you stole from Burger King?
Yeah.
You know, your friend them want to hang out today, but them have prayer meeting later on. See it there?
When you want to hang out 2 way of prayer meeting on 3.
Yeah. Yeah, so Phone Kavouhn, he was walking around the apple tree giving out like pamphlets for like the church service, Christmas service. How does it feel, you know, carrying out the work of God?
Yeah, my religion doesn't allow me to eat sesame seeds, so I brought my own bread for my sandwich.
Wow. Yeah, I feel like a thief to my mind, Fred, so. Because you were talking about Aisha and look what you have it now. It's how the universe works. What's your favorite thing about Aisha now?
I love her song that goes. Her song that promoting positivity and stuff. Which song is that? Cause Problem.
No, that's Shensia.
Oh, well, that's my favorite Shensia song.
Wow. Anyways.
Alright, so today we're at Wendy's. We're eating the new Baconator sandwich. I'm here with Alx and Duttyberry. Well, it's Duttyberry's vlog, so you're with Duttyberry. We did a little taste test, a review. We're going to compare the two different sandwiches. Alex has the Dave single, I have the Baconator, and we're going to do a little comparison test, alright? So, yeah, we'll take a bite and tell you how it is. So, wow. Okay, so.
Alright. Use up all the culinary arts words, them know.
I think the problem here still is that the succulent meat, it blends with the fries that are stuck in it.
So you eat yours with the fries. Okay, I prefer to eat my fries separate, so not to have a clash with the taste, you know. So I like to have my meat separate from my staples, you know, the potatoes is the staples of this meal.
Yeah, I noticed that you don't have a straw.
Yeah, that's funny. You went downstairs and give them a rating.
Yeah, so talk about this in terms of you decided to pair your sandwich with grape soda. Was it deliberate? Is it something where
this is a deliberate plow because I know that the grapes is going to bring out the taste of the sesame seeds bun. Even though I'm not supposed to be eating sesame seeds, this is the first time I've tried it at Wendy's, and I think that I made the right choice here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think I made the right choice here where the grape soda, I chose it different from the Sprite because the Sprite would give a flat kind of taste, it would dry out the palate. So I went with grape, no straw, because you know, like how James want like his drinks shaken, not stirred. I like my drinks open, not closed. So
and usually, you know, some people would opt for to use a straw, but he decided that he's not going to use a straw because the straw takes away from the flavor. So he wants to get directly to the source. Okay. Exactly. Hey, Alex.
I'm gonna give it a rating here. Can I get that sort of that one over there? He looks rather disappointed that he's going to get a 5. Let's give him a 5.
A 5. Yeah. 5 out of how much?
I wonder where is it like here?
5 out of 20.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm not have my food yet, so I kind of can't wait for go throw down.
Why?
What? You never throw down yet? Wait,
so
aren't you throwing down? How do you throw?
May I consume?
How do you? Yeah, come soon.
Like a movie.
Yo, I have to be so careful to say our ground berry because I don't know what to put it inside the vlog. So I don't everywhere meme everywhere. Take out the
no, I don't do it. You've never seen me do stuff like that to people. Please ask him.
No.
Oh yeah, the last thing I did was this with Yard Man.
We're highlighting shades from easy, breezy, beautiful CoverGirl.
But yeah, I'm going to eat now. Well, I'm going to have some food. Alright, so that is it, people. Vlogmas, that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure if you did, you can give me a like, the thumbs up. Leave a comment, let me know what's your favorite part, and also if you're new, to subscribe. Where will I be going next? I have no idea, but hopefully you are tuning in. TheDuttyBerryShow, box cover. Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Day what?